Hello, fellow budget travelers. Today I'm showing you how to experience New York City in 2025 without breaking the bank. We'll cover free activities, cheap eats, affordable stays, and the latest money-saving hacks. So let's dive in and make your NYC trip epic. New York City, the city that never sleeps, is often perceived as an expensive destination. But what if I told you that some of the most enriching and memorable experiences in this vibrant metropolis are absolutely free? Central Park, the green heart of Manhattan, is buzzing with life, a sprawling oasis offering a multitude of free activities. Whether you want to jog along its scenic paths, losing yourself in the rhythm of the city, or unwind with a delightful picnic on the Great Lawn, Central Park has something for everyone. Find a quiet spot to read, people watch, or simply bask in the sunshine. Keep an eye out for new pop-up art installations that transform the park into an open-air gallery, and take advantage of the free fitness classes offered throughout the year, from yoga to Zumba. The High Line, an elevated park built on former railway lines, lets you stroll above the city, offering unique perspectives and stunning views. Admire the rotating art installations that dot the landscape, showcasing contemporary works in an urban setting. The High Line now stretches all the way to Hudson Yards, providing a seamless connection between these two iconic destinations. New York City is a cultural hub, and many major museums offer free entry days or evenings, making art and history accessible to all. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, a treasure trove of art from around the world, operates on a donation-based system on Friday evenings, allowing you to pay what you wish. The Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, home to masterpieces of modern and contemporary art, is free on the first Thursday of each month, offering a chance to immerse yourself in artistic brilliance. Little Island, a unique and whimsical floating park on the Hudson River, is a true architectural marvel. Enjoy free concerts and performances that take place throughout the season, all while taking in the breathtaking views of the Hudson River and the city's skyline. It's a perfect spot to relax, unwind, and enjoy the beauty of nature in an urban setting. Washington Square Park, located in the heart of Greenwich Village, is a vibrant and energetic public space that feels like a non-stop festival. From captivating street performers and talented jazz musicians to exhilarating dance battles, there's always something happening in this iconic park. During the summer months, Bryant Park hosts outdoor movie nights, transforming its lawn into a giant open-air cinema. And for those seeking fresh produce and local goods, don't miss the pop-up farmers markets in Brooklyn, a new addition for 2025, offering a taste of the borough's vibrant culinary scene. To stay up to date on the latest free events and activities, be sure to check the city's official events page, a comprehensive resource for all things free in NYC. With a little planning and exploration, you can fill your days with the magic of New York City and never spend a dime. All it takes is knowing where to look and being open to discovering the hidden gems that this incredible city has to offer. So let's keep your wallet happy while you soak up the vibrant energy and unforgettable experiences that New York City has in store for you. Getting around New York City, the city that never sleeps, can seem daunting at first. With its bustling streets, iconic yellow cabs, and a vast network of subway lines, navigating this urban jungle might appear expensive and complicated. But fear not. Getting around NYC is surprisingly easy and affordable if you know the tricks. We're here to let you in on some secrets to make your travel experience smooth and budget-friendly. The most economical way to traverse the city is by utilizing the extensive public transportation system. Grab a 7-day unlimited Metro card for just $34. This magical card grants you unlimited access to both the subway and bus networks, allowing you to explore all 5 boroughs without constantly reaching for your wallet. It covers subways and buses. Alternatively, the Omni system offers a convenient tap-and-go option. This modern system lets you tap your credit card, debit card, or even your phone at the Omni readers. The best part? With Omni, after 12 rides in a week, the rest are free. This means you can ride as much as you want without incurring additional charges, making it perfect for frequent travelers. Don't underestimate the power of the bus. Buses are air-conditioned, providing a comfortable escape from the summer heat, and they're great for sightseeing, offering a unique perspective of the city's diverse neighborhoods. Plus, transfers from subway to bus are free within 2 hours, allowing for seamless connections and maximizing your travel efficiency. For quicker bus routes, keep an eye out for the electric select bus service lines, which are faster than ever thanks to dedicated bus lanes and limited stops. And let's not forget the simplest, yet often most rewarding mode of transportation: walking. Walking is often the quickest way to get around in congested areas, especially for shorter distances. To make your walks even more interesting, use a free walking tour app to discover hidden gems, historical landmarks, and local secrets that you might otherwise miss. For those who enjoy cycling, City Bike is a fantastic option. A single ride will only set you back $4, or you can opt for a day pass at $18, giving you unlimited 30-minute rides throughout the day. And the best news, City Bike is expanding. With more stations planned for Queens and Brooklyn in 2025, it'll be even easier to explore these vibrant boroughs on two wheels. For a unique and scenic experience, hop on the NYC ferry. NYC ferry rides are just $4, matching the price of a subway ride. But the ferry isn't just transportation, it's also a scenic tour offering breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline, the Statue of Liberty, and other iconic landmarks. Arriving at JFK Airport? Don't fall for expensive taxi scams. From JFK, take the air train and connect to the subway for under $12, a fraction of the cost of a taxi or rideshare. Speaking of taxis and rideshares, while rideshare apps are undeniably convenient, they can also be quite pricey, especially during peak hours or in bad weather. So use them sparingly and consider the more affordable options we've discussed. With a little planning, utilizing apps like Citymapper or Google Maps to navigate the subway and bus routes, you can explore the city for less than the cost of a single Manhattan cocktail. That's right. You can experience the magic of New York without emptying your bank account. So save your cash for the fun stuff, like Broadway shows, delicious food, and unforgettable experiences. Now that you're equipped with these insider tips, let's keep moving and explore more ways to make the most of your New York City adventure. NYC accommodations don't have to drain your wallet. Modern hostels like the Bowery House and HINYC offer beds under $60 and social events. Pod Hotels and Moxie have compact, stylish rooms at budget prices. Book directly for the best deals and check out regulated short-term rentals or co-living spaces like Common. University dorms rent rooms in summer, basic, central, and cheap. Couchsurfing is active and free. Just read reviews and trust your gut. The new Stay NYC Pass offers discounts at select budget hotels and hostels. Book early, stay flexible, and you'll sleep well for less. New York City, the Big Apple, a culinary mecca where flavors from around the globe converge. But experiencing the legendary NYC food scene doesn't require a big budget. You don't need to break the bank to enjoy delicious eats in this vibrant city. There are plenty of hidden gems and local favorites that offer incredible value. Dollar slice pizza is still a thing, a true New York institution. While prices have crept up slightly, it remains one of the most iconic and affordable meals you can find. You can still grab a slice for around $1.50 at places like Two Bros or Percy's. It's the perfect, quick and satisfying bite while you're exploring the city. Don't underestimate the power of a good, cheap slice. Food trucks offer a world of global eats under $10. From tacos to dumplings to gourmet sandwiches, you can find just about anything your heart desires on wheels. To find the best deals and locations, use the Street Eats app for daily deals and real-time updates on where your favorite trucks are parked. It's your secret weapon for navigating the NYC food truck scene. A trip to Chinatown is a must for any budget-conscious foodie. Chinatown's pork buns, steamed to perfection and filled with savory goodness, and hand-pulled noodles, made fresh daily, are not only delicious but incredibly cheap. You can easily find a satisfying meal for under $5. Explore the bustling streets and discover hidden culinary treasures around every corner. Canal Street Market is another great option, with many vendors offering $5 lunch specials. It's a vibrant and diverse food hall where you can sample flavors from around the world without emptying your wallet. And don't forget the classic NYC bodega. These corner stores serve bagels and coffee for around $4, a perfect and affordable way to start your day. It's a true New York experience. For a slightly more upscale experience, check out Urban Hawker and Time Out Market. These food halls offer a curated selection of international bites with stunning skyline views, and you can still find plenty of options for under $12. It's a great way to enjoy a delicious meal with a view without breaking the bank. And for a truly budget-friendly option, head to grocery stores like Trader Joe's. They have a wide selection of grab-and-go meals that are perfect for a picnic in one of NYC's many parks. Enjoy the sunshine and fresh air while savoring a delicious and affordable meal. Finally, keep an eye out for community fridges, a new trend popping up around the city. These fridges operate on a take what you need, leave what you can basis, providing free food to those in need and reducing food waste. It's a great way to support the community and find a meal if you're struggling. Drinks in NYC don't have to be expensive. Happy hours mean $5 beers and $7 cocktails. Use the Happy Hour Heroes app for the latest deals. Classic dive bars like Rudy's offer free hot dogs with your drink. NYC's water is famously good. Bring a reusable bottle and refill for free. Zero Proof in the East Village serves creative mocktails under $8. Rooftop bars like Skyline Social have $6 drinks with a view on weekdays. Indie cafes offer coffee specials for under $3 if you time it right. Check community events for free or donation-based drinks, especially in summer. NYC's iconic sites don't have to cost a fortune. The Staten Island Ferry is free and offers epic Statue of Liberty views. Skip pricey observation decks. Visit a rooftop bar for skyline views. The City Views Pass bundles discounted entry to top landmarks. Walk the Brooklyn Bridge and tour Lower Manhattan's icons for free. Grand Central, the NYPL, and Central Park's Bethesda Terrace are must-sees. NYPL now offers free guided tours. Museums like the Brooklyn Museum have free or discounted days. Check their sites for updates. Always check the NYC tourism site for seasonal deals and new attractions. Dive into NYC's local life without spending much. Free walking tours cover every neighborhood, just tip your guide. Street performers and musicians are everywhere. Enjoy the show. Tip if you can. Community events like outdoor yoga, movie nights, and art workshops are all over the city. Libraries and cultural centers offer free talks, classes, and live music. Join a pickup basketball game or a group run in Central Park. Pay What You Can Theater lets you see off-Broadway shows for less. Seasonal festivals and street fairs are mostly free. Jump in and have fun. Here's how to stretch your NYC dollars even further. City Passes offer skip-the-line access and discounts. Do the math for your plans. Use apps like Today Tix for cheap show tickets and Too Good to Go for discounted meals. Visit in late winter or early fall for lower hotel rates and fewer crowds. Always ask for student, senior, or military discounts. Free public Wi-Fi is everywhere. Download offline maps just in case. Thrift stores and sample sales are great for budget shopping. Be spontaneous. Talk to locals and let the city surprise you. Thanks for joining me, everyone, on this exciting NYC budget adventure. It's been a blast. Remember, the very best experiences are often completely free or just a few affordable bucks away. Like, comment, and definitely subscribe for even more travel hacks. And please let me know your favorite NYC budget tips down below.